Hello student, we are going to start second part of this lecture, source of population data. In last lecture, we studied about the first source of population data, it is population census. In this lecture, we studied about the what is census, some limitations, features of population census, limitation of population census and uses of population census. Today's lecture we are going to study the sample survey. Sample survey is another source of collecting population data. In a sample survey, information is collected from a sample of individual rather than from the entire population. A sample consists of only a fraction of total population. Several different population samples can be drawn on the basis of sample survey, such as number of abortion, contraceptive uses, etc. for the study of fertility. In this image, there is target population and sample population. When we want to study the total population of any district, that time we can select 4-5 villages which are facing various problems which is related to our study. That time we should select some villages for study of total district, whole district. Some countries conduct national sample survey based on random sampling or stratified random sampling. Whatever method is adopted, care should be taken to select a representative sample of the total population. The survey of sample required a small trained staff and small questionnaires relating to one aspect of the population. The data so collected are tabulated, analyzed and published. So this method takes less time and is less costly. Sample survey can be used to supplement the census data and to carry out further the trend in population growth in between two census operations. Sampling is also used to check the accuracy of the census data where there is doubt in sample result, in census result. This method yields good result if the sample is properly chosen. In Marathi, Shitavarun Bhatachi Pariksha. When we want to check the rice, that time we select, we not select, but randomly we check 2-3 pieces of the rice. Same, the sampling survey we can do it. Limitation. The sampling method has certain limitation. First one, it is highly subjective and it is possible to arrive at different data with different sample of the same population. There are bound to be error in coverage, classification and sampling of population data. As a survey requires many surveyors who may not be efficient and sincere. It is subject to large error. If the information if the informats in the sample do not cooperate with the surveyors, the survey will not give accurate result. To conclude with Stephen, samples are like medicines. They can be harmful when they are taken careless or without adequate knowledge of their effects. Thank you very much. Next lecture we will study about the third part of this subtopic. It is other source of population data. This is also very important to the source of population data. Once again, thank you very much.